Welcome to Rome Tips. If you're enjoying this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving it a thumbs up. It really helps us out. All the links mentioned in this overview can be found in the description below. Remember, this is based on my personal experience using the service. Today, we're taking a look at PayDay.com, a platform that connects borrowers with potential lenders. Navigating the world of short-term loans can be confusing, so let's unpack what PayDay offers. Essentially, it acts as a bridge between individuals seeking financial assistance and a network of lenders who may be able to provide it. Think of it as a marketplace for short-term loans. You submit an application through PayDay, and they distribute it to their lending partners. This can be a convenient way to shop around for different loan options without having to apply individually with each lender. It's crucial to remember that PayDay itself isn't a lender. They simply facilitate the connection between you and potential loan providers. This also means that the specific terms and conditions of any loan you're offered will depend on the individual lender, not PayDay. Therefore, carefully reviewing any loan agreement before signing is absolutely essential. Factors like interest rates, repayment schedules, and fees will vary between lenders, so due diligence is key. PayDay emphasizes the speed and simplicity of its application process. Typically, filling out the online form takes only a few minutes. Once submitted, you may receive loan offers relatively quickly. However, approval isn't guaranteed, and the speed of receiving funds can vary. Remember to be realistic about your borrowing needs and ensure you can comfortably repay any loan you accept. Short-term loans can be a helpful tool in certain situations, but they're not a long-term financial solution. Used responsibly, they can bridge a temporary gap, but it's crucial to borrow wisely and within your means. Always prioritize understanding the full terms and implications before committing to any financial agreement. Be sure to research and compare different lenders and loan options before making a decision.